Good morning, you guys. Welcome to the 5th day of our grammar series. This week we've been working on adjectives and adverbs. I will say, if you have not completed the skills listed here up until now, do not try to work on FCV, which is what we're working on today. Highly recommend going to find videos and practice from these skills that are listed here before you get to this one. Here. Sorry, making sure Roxy's not getting into something. Okay, so go ahead and let's do a quick review. So is the word an adjective or an adverb? Basically, we need to do a quick review. What's an adjective? What's an adverb? An adjective, I took some notes. If you're somebody that's taking notes as we go along, highly recommend you do so. So an adjective is words that describe a noun. So examples are childish, caring, loving, happy, short, fat. And then adverbs describe verbs usually, and sometimes they describe adjectives or another adverb. So examples are here. Quietly, peacefully, badly. Remember that that rule with the ly. If it has an ly, it's an adverb. But it can also answer any of these questions: where, when, how much, how often. So it could be like backwards, outside, tomorrow, tonight. Quite, fairly, too, always, sometimes. Those are all adverbs, okay? So our thinking steps for this one is we need to figure out so over here, is the underlined word an adjective, or is the underlined word a noun or a verb, adjective, or adverb. So if it's a noun, then we know that the word before it, then the bolded word is do you remember? If it describes a noun, it's a adjective. If it's a verb, adjective or adverb, then we know that it's a what? Adverb. All we have to do in this skill is determine if it's a adjective or adverb. Okay, so it seems kind of wonky that we have to go to another word first to find it, but we have to figure out. We can tell if it's an adjective or an adverb by looking at what the word that it describes. So let's go over here. The ideal candidate for president is knowledgeable about both foreign affairs and domestic issues. So candidate, that's a person, so that's a noun, which means the word before it is an adjective. Mrs. Farrell previously worked as a teacher before going back to school for nursing. Worked is a verb, it's an action. Previously, I see that ly. That's a clue that it's an adverb, but it also tells when did she work? Previously, that's an adverb. The temperature was already exceedingly cold. Cold describes temperature, which is an adjective. So since it's an adjective that's underlined, that means an adverb is describing it. Plus I see it ends in ly. And how cold is it? That's a word that describes how cold something is. So adverb. I'll do one more and then you guys are good to go. Miss Dyer's farm is still the major supplier of produce for the grocery store on 6th Street. Supplier is a noun. It's a person. It's a type of person, someone that supplies something. So major is something that describes supplier, which is a noun. So we know that that must be an adjective. All right. Just a quick review. Ask yourself, is the word that's underlined oh my goodness gracious, a noun? If it's a noun, then the word that describes it is an adjective. If it's a verb, adjective, or adverb, then the word that describes it is an adverb. You got it.